Art friends, we're doing Killer Queen Bites the Dust from JoJo's Bizarre Encyclopedia. All right, so here's his head. And then we got a great big shoulder here. And we got the other part of the arm up here. And then this part comes around. And we got lots of stuff here. Lots of muscles. All right. Here we go. Remember, stay with your pencil. So we're gonna have a line, and then it's gonna come back around. Then we're gonna have a line coming up on top. Come around. Curvy line. And then it's gonna come almost straight down. Then this side's gonna come around and pretty much go straight down. Not very happy. Then we've got a line coming up. Kind of, it looks like a cat with its curvy eye and its pupil like that. Is this a cat? All right, then this one comes up, around. Yep. Pupil, like that, no ears. And then we got a great big thick neck. Maybe it was a lineman in a former life. And curvy line. And we've got a curvy line for the bicep. Curvy line here. Circle thing. Quite the tattoo. Got like a skull thing. All right. Another kind of line on the middle of that. All right, then got this curvy line here. And we've got like an oval here with some curvy lines. And then we got curve coming down, circle with a circle, the circle, tricep. There we go. Curvy line here, with more curvy lines coming up. Then we got the back, comes in, curvy line comes down. Some lines coming there. Around, back up. More skeleton things. And got another line here. Some, maybe this is his belt buckle, yeah? Oh. And got another circle, skeleton. Maybe another circle on that. It comes down. It's like we got some spikes here. There we go. And then we've got a great big medallion here, but we're not going to get it all because I'm running out of room. Doggone it. Okay. And another line. There we are. And then it comes out. There's the beginning of his hip, her hip, its hip. Then got line coming up. And got a line coming down. All right, there's his hip, its hip. Okay, then we've got back to his forearm. It's gonna come out like so. And it's gonna overlap here like so. And we're gonna have like a glove come up here, resting on his shoulder, coming back. And we got some strappage. That's his thumb. Another medallion. Okay. And more straps, more straps. Here we go. All right, then his shoulder's coming like this. So then we're gonna come around. Got another medallion here. And then we've got some little, I guess what this is on the other side. And then it's gonna come around, pointy, elbowy kind of area. We'll just hook that up. And there we have it. I guess we need a little neck here. Little clavicle. There we go. Oh, forgot the pectoral muscles. There. All right. And there is Killer Queen Bee Bites the Dust, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.